na mbitika iria cirakorirwo gitabanio kiharoini kia Pa 70 Golf Club mwena wa Malindi thini wa kaunti ya Kilifi. Juma ahotanite kana arakorirwo akihotana point 40 agitongoria mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi na niwe pohlan Mwenaini wa nyarari njambi wasige nake niwe arakorirwo akiyukia uhotani thini wa mbitika ici.
We have main unique feature. We have hole number 8 where you tee off. It's a par 4. You tee off, then you have to go over man-made pond to get to the green. It poses a challenge to many players, but above that, it's also a beautiful scene where good pictures are taken by players. We also have number 12, which is the highest point of our course. While you're there teeing off, especially the men's tee, you have a view of the sea and the beautiful Malindi. I think many young people are taking up golf, and I would like to advise them. There's a notion that golf is an expensive sport or it's meant for the elderly, and to tell you no, it's not expensive as said by many. It's actually a healthy sport for exercise.
As part of customer engagement, there are several initiatives we are having, and one of them is engaging customers in this manner, bringing them in the course, trying to have a good game and have a social life outside the banking world. So we thought this would be good, given that it is the first golf tournament that DTB is doing in this area, despite the fact that we have been present here for a very long time.
Yeah.